Chris and Ted here for Think Tank, and we want to talk about the StreetWalker rolling backpack. So we're very excited about this being our most popular backpack series, and now in a roller backpack combo, right? So all of the improvements on our V2 series are also woven into our backpack roller here. So let's start out with just talking about the roller features, right? We have our standard handle that we've included on our V3 rollers, on our Airport Advantage, and this is sort of a custom, as Ted likes to call it, fluted design. And you can see these channels that run down, which help support the strength and durability of the handle. So one of the other top features of this bag is... Oh!
That's my laptop.
It's Ted's laptop. It's a 15-inch laptop right in the lid right there.
Look at that.
And let's hope it's still okay. I wasn't even going to say that, but that was a good transition. 2 bodies with lenses attached. And this one can actually be a gripped body or a pro-sized body in the bottom here. This is just sort of a standard size or ungripped body, but both can have lenses attached. As you can see, you can fit an absolute ton of gear in this bag, and you can see that via the gear images on the web. Other features on the inside are these zippered pockets for accessories. You can put a PPR in there, batteries, lens cleaning cloth, any little bits and bobs that you need while you're shooting.
Also new in this series is the tripod attachment points. Now on the outside of the panel, so you can leave your tripod on and still get to your gear inside, which is a major workflow improvement.
Right, and you can attach the straps here, and you can just put your feet in the outer pocket right here. Also on the front of the bag, we just have a front pocket. Here's the tripod straps that come with the bag. Little organizer for pens. Little leash for your keys. Little zippered pocket here for anything that you want to keep secure.
So let's show them the magic.
So this harness system works very similar to the Airport Takeoff version 2. It's a little bit different in that when this flap folds under, as you can see, this top portion of the flap folds under and then secures to the bottom of the bag. Now what this does is provides lumbar support so that the wheels don't hit your body, and then it just provides that extra support in the lower part of your back. So again, our one of our most robust harnesses, right, found on the StreetWalker series, the Shapeshifter series, and also the Airport Takeoff. So really nice support here. But keep in mind, this is a rolling bag. So you got wheels and hardware in here. You got your trolley handle in the top. You got your hardware in the front. So it's not necessarily a backpack, but it's also not necessarily a roller. It's somewhere in between.
Thus the magic.
There you go. So these just tuck up, tuck right back in, and one of the benefits that I actually like about this roller is that you can leave this undone and roll it at the same time, so that when you are in a pinch, if you're going up a lot of stairs or going across grass or gravel, you can just pop these out and throw it on, right? Or then just tuck it in and then keep rolling. So side pockets, right? Super big side pockets. You can put a large water bottle in here, or a smaller water bottle on the side. And on this side pocket, we actually have a dedicated smartphone pocket here. So you can have a dedicated place for your phone.
Pretty nice addition to what's already a great line.
It is. We're very excited about this just because once you get that much gear on your back, it gets super heavy. Sometimes you need those backpack straps, but yet sometimes you need the wheels. So hence StreetWalker Rolling Backpack version 2 from Think Tank Photo.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.